I found you the perfect budget gaming headset. This is the Sensor X100, and this is only coming in at $40. This headset includes the manual, the charging cable, 2.4 dongle, headphone jack, and if you're not a fan of the red caps that are on the side, it comes with black caps as well. I used to run Turtle Beach headsets, but after a couple hours, the top of my head and my ears would be a little uncomfortable. This headset is compatible with PC, PS4, PS5, and laptops. With this button, you can skip forward or back or pause and play your music. The earpieces are some of the softest I've ever felt, better than some of my $200 to $300 gaming headsets. You can run this for 36 hours without charging it. It's got a 1.5mm omni-directional mic and 50mm drivers. These have been selling super fast, so if the link's there, I would definitely cop one. As far as creamy switches go, I guarantee these switches right here are in everybody's top 5. These are the WS Morandis, a linear switch that's got a 60-gram bottom out. Top housing's made of palm, same with the bottom housing with a UPE stem. The factory lube is still some of the best in the industry. If for whatever reason you don't have these creamy sounding switches, I have it linked below. Let's talk about my favorite creamy tactile switch. I never thought I would enjoy a tactile switch, but the switch we're talking about is the Gateron EF Grayish. These creamy sounding switches are very budget friendly. They come pre-lubed with a 60-gram actuation force. The top housing is made of PC and the bottom housing is made of nylon. And look how beautiful they look inside my keyboard. You honestly don't need to re-lube these switches. They come ready to rock and roll straight out of the box. So let me show you how they sound. Personally, I think these are a must buy, and you already know I'm gonna have that link down below for you. I'm gonna be announcing the winners of these two smartwatches right now. Steph Ruiz and Lone Wolf, a beast. You guys are the winners. So Steph, you're gonna get the rose gold one, and Lone Wolf, you're gonna get the black watch. Since these products are coming out of my own pocket, I wanna see these products go to a good home. So if you're not posting on your TikTok or trying to better yourself every single day, the chances of you winning are very slim to none. If you're leaving comments like, oh, you should give me a PC or you need to give me a laptop when I'm not even promoting those kind of products, I'm not even gonna pick you as a winner. My parents always told me everything good in life takes hard work and is never given to you, and you have to work hard every day at it. So I'm trying to reward those that are working hard at it every single day. When I get threats like this, it makes me not even want to do this, especially over a $25 watch. So again, I'd like to congratulate Steph and Lone Wolf. I'll be sending these out today. Now watching this video and finding out I am doing monthly giveaways, wait till you see what I give away next.